Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So this video is not going to be about art, but this video is going to be about my recent trek to Hamta Pass, and I just wanted to share my experience with you all. So first of all, I really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. It definitely gives a boost to me and to my creativity. So let's begin. So the journey begins from Delhi to Manali, and I took an overnight bus, a Volvo, and I'm going to meet the group in Manali, and from there we are going to start the trek. So I reached Manali quite early in the morning. So I decided that I'm going to go to Johnson's and sit there and have a cup of tea before joining the group. So before beginning the actual trek, let me just give you a little bit information about this particular trek. The Hamda Pass trek is a 35-kilometer journey that takes you from lush green valley of Kullu to the stark barren beauty of the Spiti Valley. It's generally a 5-day trek, but some people can complete it in 4 days. It's definitely going to test your endurance, and we are going to see why in the coming vlog.
न्यूटन टाइप की हो सकती है चीज़ें एंड सेम चीज़ सेरिबम एडिमा भी होता है ब्रेन में होता है ब्रेन में भी सारी चीज़ वो जब फ्लूइड फुलफिल हो जाएगा सेम चीज़ उसमें भी होता है तो एट दैट टाइम हम यूज़ करते हैं एसिड मोलाइड ये सब्सटेंस सेम होता है केमिकल में
So the itinerary of this particular trek will follow like this. First day we are going to go from Manali to Jorba, and from Jorba to Chika. That will be the campsite for the first day. Then the second day we will go from Chika to Baluka Ghera, and on the third day we are going to go from Baluka Ghera to Shiaguru. And the fourth day we are going to go from Shiaguru to Shatru, where the last campsite would be. And from Shatru, we are going to return to Manali, from where we can leave for our respective destinations.
आपके हो गए आप रुको 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 हो गए इनकी पेमेंट नहीं बता
शिफाली।
ये आपकी
So we have reached, we have started from Manali and now we are at Jorba. So from here the trek will start, and this is the group. So start. So stay around.
फोटो खींच रहे हो तो लोगों के लिए अलग से ऑप्शन जा 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 देखो शूट करता हूँ मैं
So we are approaching Chika, and the campsite is over there. I'm sure as a campsite is over there near the waterfall, and this is the view of the valley, which is quite amazing. So day one is finished, and I'm sitting in the tent. So this is the tent that you get. There is a sleeping bag. I'm not really sure if it is visible here. And this is the view right in front of me. So this place is called Chika. So we started from Manali today, then we stopped at Jobra, I think Jobra, and then now we are at Chika. कृष, कैसा रहा तुम्हारा दिन?
बस चला गया, जैसी जिंदगी चल रहा है वैसे चल रहा है.
So as I mentioned in my previous comment that this trek definitely going to check the endurance level of yours. So Jay was the first person to return from this trek on the second day.
एक बार बैठने के चक्कर में गिर चुका और अब मैंने जूते ढंग से कर लिया अपनी
चलिए,
कंट्रोल कर.
very nice. Now we are going to that waterfall. So I'm not really sure my voice is getting captured here, but I'm against this wonderful waterfall, and I don't know the name of this waterfall, but somebody said that it's a Chika waterfall. Hi everyone. So today we are going from Chika to Baluga Ghera, and it's somewhere 9 kilometers, and the terrain is really difficult. It's quite rocky. Trek leader. So
आज हम जा रहे हैं चीका टू बालू का घेरा. So it's like 8 to 9 kilometers, and the road are really, there is no road actually, this is kacha rasta. The trail is really rocky, so I cannot shoot much here. चलो चलो. One, two.
So Hamta Pass trek is a pre-monsoon trek, and it is safe to do this trek in the month of June. In the month of July and September, it should be avoided because it poses a higher risk of landslide and flash floods. So this part of the trek was the most challenging for me, where you have to take out your shoes and you have to get into the river to cross it. I am telling you, I just wanted to get out of the river as soon as I got in. I hope my camera is able to capture all the rivulets that is there. So we are about to reach the campsite and we are walking on the snow. I mean, this worth all the walking today, all the trekking. I think it was really difficult because there were many big rocks that you have to climb, and it can rain anytime, but so far it has not rained. So I'm not really sure if the camera is able to capture it. There's hardly any light. Anyways, so we started from Chika, I think somewhere around 8:30 in the morning, and now we are about to reach the campsite, and I'm not really sure what's the time. यार time क्या हुआ है? अच्छा कुछ आइडिया? हाँ? अंदर रखा हुआ है। अच्छा कुछ आइडिया? 3 तो बज गए होंगे है ना? So it must be 3. What a view! What a view!
भाई आ जाओ, आ जाओ भाई। सुनिए भैया, ठंड लग रहा है, टेंट दो पहले। अरे टेंट अलॉट करो यार पहले।
So this is the view currently from my tent. So I will be leaving it soon and we are going to start trek. It rain whole night.
रुको सारे रुको। कहाँ छोड़ दिया लोग?
So today we are going from Baluga Ghera to Hamta Pass and it's going to be a very gradual hike. I'm not really sure if it is capturing. हो गया, चलो चल गया। Take the vanity, then turn slowly towards me with the Oreo.
कमल से क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप ट्रिप के बारे में?
मेरी हालत पतली हो रही है। I'm having a headache. My nose is going down like this. My heart is pounding like this.
बस इतना ही बोलना था बेटा, ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना।
हमको चलते रहने गाड़ी को ऐसे रुक ऐसे।
धीरे-धीरे मोमेंटम बिल्ड होता है।
So, मेरी हो गई थी तबीयत खराब, लेकिन आई एम फीलिंग परफेक्टली फाइन राइट नाउ। So that's Pir Panjal ranges.
देखो पार्क
This is CBS ranges.
वैसे भी एंड देखने से क्या है अपना
देख गया बस आपको पता चल जाएगा कितना है उतना चलना होगा। हमारे ही है उसी साइड में, वही हमारा ही है वो ऑरेंज कलर वाला। बहुत अपने बहुत सबसे नजदीक है भी हमारा, सबसे फर्स्ट में ही है।
नहीं वो तो ऐसा है ना, कल भी ऐसे ही रास्ता मिल रहता।
आप कल चलना, बस अब ट्रैक करने आओ, चलना तो पड़ेगा ही आपको।
मैं बस पूछ रहा हूँ, कल भी ऐसे ही रास्ता होगा?
ऐसे ही मिलेगा।
I mean, I don't think so the camera can capture the, you know, the beauty of this place. I think it's really beyond my words. And it was nice, the trek was nice. I fell ill in between, but I'm feeling better now. हाँ जी। अगर ऐसे नज़ारे हों तो ट्रैक करने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है। Like this. So that was Shia Guru, and we are just moving from Shia Guru and going to a place, and I don't know the name of the place, but this was really beautiful. I mean, one day stay here can actually recharge you in ways that I cannot fathom. The river, the mountains. I'm definitely going to miss this place. It's really beautiful. Please, please. Krish, go.
हम जानता हूँ उतरने में तुम हमको कैसे भी उतरवा दो।
हमको चढ़ने में दिक्कत नहीं
दिक्कत कैसे उतरे थे हम राजी वाली है।
एक बार पूरा पीक हो जाए ना उसके बाद आसान लगता है रास्ता, नहीं तो फर्स्ट डे ऐसा आता फिर आपका चलना मुश्किल था।
My God, just look at these rocks. And I'm still carrying 2 backpacks. Yeah. So the challenge seems to be like is getting completed because I decided that I'm going to, carry both the bags and I'm not going to hire mule. Quite a difficult terrain.
इधर से घुस जाओ दोस्त, इधर से लेफ्ट साइड से निकल जाओ।
So this is the final destination. This is called Shatru, and we started from one camp and we are going to stop at another, and we are going to go to Chandratal. I mean, the views are really amazing from here. Hello, Mr. Sheep. She's not interested to give me the interview. Hello, how are you feeling here? How's the life here? So that's going to be the camp for today, and we're just going to climb down and take a I don't know, some kind of transport has been arranged, and we are going to go to Chandratal. And this definitely is a Lahaul Spiti trail where the mountains are like barren and the rivers are muddy.
So that was the end of the video, guys. So I hope you're going to enjoy it, and I hope you find this informative. If you do, then please do like, share and subscribe.
So last night was really cold, and I have this pounding headache, but right now I'm feeling fine. It's going to be 6:30, and today we are going to just go and walk on the snow. I'm not really sure how I'm going to pick up these two bags, which are really heavy. Not so heavy, but yeah. And I love the view and everything here. I think it's really amazing.